Before we get into this tutorial, a quick tip that we suggest is, once you're within the site editor, to view your site. To do that, on the upper right hand corner, you're going to see the link to your site. Once you click on this, it will open up a new tab for you. Therefore, any changes that you make can be easily seen within the other tab within your browser. Alright, let's dive right into the tutorial itself. So on the left hand side of the site editor, go ahead and click on Edit Header. And that's going to bring you to the different header appearances that are currently available. We recommend that you come back here from time to time to make sure when the new designs are available. To navigate through the different designs, just click on the left and right arrows, scroll to the one that you like, and click Save Changes when you're done. Now if you recall back to the beginning of this video, we showed you how to open up your website in a new tab. Let's go to your website, refresh the browser, and you're going to see the design that immediately takes place. Let's go back to the site editor, and just to show you for an example, going back to the original format, click Save Changes, and then let's go back to your website, and again refresh the browser, and you're going to see the updates that were immediately made. That's all there is to it.